Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into ARAGON token. So first of all, as usual, open price tracking website that you are comfortable using. For me, I'm good with CoinMarketCap. For those who doesn't have any price tracking website in their minds, please go ahead and type coinmarketcap.com or websites that are like CoinMarketCap. But there's a bunch of this kind of websites. A lot of them are scams, so please make sure that you are using this one just to avoid scammers and to be safe. Now let's start the tutorial by clicking here and write ARAGON. As you can see, ANT is the shortcut. Now we have it right here. You can click here on the copy address to copy the address, and you can see all the informations about this token in this page. Now we go back, we all need the address, so we click on this icon, we go back, we go to the Uniswap protocol, and we click launch app, we connect our wallet, but before that we make sure that we are on Ethereum network. Basically guys, they have a bunch of wallets. They have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase wallets, Hermetic, and Portes. You can use whatever you are comfortable using. For me, I'm good with MetaMask. For those who want MetaMask, you can write on your browser metamask.io and download it on every single browser that you are using, or your cell phone. You can use it on your cell phone. Now we go back, make sure that our MetaMask is connected, and we add the Ethereum main network. It is already added by default, so just make sure that we are using it, and import tokens. Now custom token, we paste the address and it will get filled up automatically. Now add the custom token, done. Now we can see us on our wallet right here. We go to the select token in the interface, we paste the address, import, and here you go. Now we can swap Ethereum into ANT or the reverse by just clicking this arrow. So guys, if you find this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Have a great day. See you guys.